All right, we're back. So today's Friday, non-farm payroll news is at 8:30 for the dollar and CAD. So we have a lot of available pairs. Okay. Here's one thing to note, guys. When there's a lot of news in the U.S. session, on the major pairs, the cross pairs are the ones that you want to trade because they're really normally unaffected and they just move beautifully. Okay, and that's been happening all week. But unfortunately for me, they move in London time, and there were some that moved in New York, but I just wasn't even paying attention. You can get wrapped up in the indices and futures and forget that you still got some stuff you can do in forex. So we have we can see the dashboard here. We have Aussie dollar, and this means that anytime that you see a max ADR real time and then the daily range, that's what I'm looking for, right? So this is a 3 peak low, meaning that 3 days after the peak, it's actually day 4. It's broken the highs, so the breaking of structure has been going as we thought it would. We have a high right now that's forming, but it hasn't stopped yet, so it still needs to move away from that. So hopefully, by the time news comes, that's when we want to be in front of this market to trade it. Okay. So when we see when the daily range is exceeded, so here's the ADR for the day, right? And if it already exceeded the daily range for the day, then there's a big chance that this is going to give us an opportunity for a reversal. So this one looks like it was short, right? It's a day 3 trade. So for New York, we might get a reversal opportunity. As we can see now, prices are at the low, and all they got to do is hold, right? They just got to hold the low and reverse up. But we'll see when it could continue to break through. That's another thing. It could break through this low, yesterday's low, come to 380R perhaps, and then finally fell, because this is a major level down here. We have previous month's low. So this could be a very major level right here to hold this market. Okay, so that's what that means, guys. Another one that looks really good, of course, is GU. Again, this one's it's been trending up for 5 days. We have 5 breaks. Let me show you. You didn't see that right here. GU. Again, we were maxed out on the ADR in terms of allotted pips, but not for the ADR for the day. So the daily ADR is 64, and it's already taken 39 pips. So as you can see here, guys, we're at the high and we just need it to hold. And we would love to go ahead and take this trade when prices either hit yesterday's high. Like here's yesterday's high. This is where you would want to enter. Okay. Previous day high. You want to enter there once it starts to fall down. Okay. And then you'll notice on the dashboard that it's coming, right? Like it's starting to reverse. It's tracing back, because you see the allotted pips is allotted ADR is 3.75, and it's starting to reduce 3.58. Okay, so once it clears this ADR, guys, that's when we'll see the official trend change on the dashboard, and it will update in real time. All right. So this one's another great one. I mean, there's so many opportunities today. Let's look at UJ. This one is what I would consider a 3 previous day low reversal trade. We've been in the market 4 days, 4 breaks, maxed out ADR. Look, the daily range is also maxed out at 124. So this one should give us a reversal opportunity for New York, or at least the 830. I don't know. I keep saying New York because I'm used to saying that, but it definitely should give us an opportunity on after news. It may spike down one more time because look, we have this previous month's level right here. It could go there. Don't know, but this is another one we could look at for an opportunity. But guys, look at this. I'm so jealous for you, Asia, London traders. You guys were able to get all of this. You don't even need to trade today at all. You do not need to trade. Okay, then we have Euro USD, same thing, 6 days and 5 breaks. I mean, this one is setting up pretty nicely for us to take that. And it has already, this is what I like about this one, it has already broken through the open price, yesterday's high. So this one's already setting up nicely. All right, I would definitely be looking for this one to do something for us, finish the retracement, and then give us another opportunity. Will it go back up here? Not sure about all that, but definitely we'll be looking for a retracement in this particular pair. Once that retracement's done, you know, look for the drop because it already put the high in. The high is in for the day. Okay. All right. Let's do one more and then we get out of here. GJ. So GJ has only done one break. We have the extended daily range for today. Let's see. And here's another thing. Sometimes maybe it's wrong. It's wrong, guys. So we had a new peak. Let me take that off. New peak here. Let's see, what day was that? The 4th? Monday. All right. So Monday, new peak. That was day 1. Tuesday, day 2. It didn't break any major levels, right? So day 3, it did. We had one there. Day 4, which was yesterday, we had another break. So this one, yeah, my dashboard, this one is the one that's not reading properly, so I need to get that fixed. But check it out. We had 1 and then 2 breaks, and now we are at the low. We've hit the low. Is it going to hold? That's what we want it to do. We want this to hold so that we can take the reversal, right? It might break through that. Again, this is just a previous day low level. It may decide to give us one more break because we've had 2 so far, right? So here was one break and here's another one. For whatever reason, I got to figure out why it's not showing. So I'm glad I caught that. But nonetheless, this one looks pretty good. It could break through and then go long. Don't know. But it's definitely a good one because it's been sitting here for a minute. And we have exceeded the daily range. So when I see that, that's another big clue that we could possibly get a good reversal. Okay. Dollar CAD, look at that. This one is the ideal 33 trade set up. Actually, it's not, it finished the 33 trade because we had 3 days in the market and then we had 3 breaks. So the 33 trade was completed. So now we're looking for the 3 previous day low reversal trade. Okay. So we can see here price is at the low of the day. And, right now it's holding. So let it finish the retracement. Actually, it's probably going to go up. It's going to, put in a high, and that's what we want. We want a high inside, and then we want it to fall back down again, another 3 pushes. And then, of course, when news starts, boom, we want to be able to take this long. All right. So this is another great trade to take for today for non-farm. All right, guys, I have held you guys up long enough. I appreciate you. We will see you in the next one.